Welcome to our conversation on TPM. Proper equipment maintenance is key to lean manufacturing success. TPM increases OE significantly, which means you will get more out of your equipment. OE includes availability, performance, and quality rate of the output. TPM reduces the big six equipment losses. These include breakdown, setup, idling, speed, quality, and startup losses. TPM establishes an autonomous maintenance program. This includes restoration, training, and a team-based approach to preventive maintenance and problem solving. The benefits of TPM include increased operational stability. Your processes will be more available and more reliable. This makes it easier to work toward just-in-time with built-in quality. So, if you want to learn more about TPM, visit our website at emsstrategies.com and contact us.